What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the NIO stock. NIO is moving a little bit today, 4.8% this morning. And guys, this price movement in this stock has been manipulated for a long time. I have the 6-month chart pulled up for you guys, and as you can see, it's just been an absolute roller coaster. Bad news after bad news after bad news that has nothing to do with NIO's fundamentals or a company as a whole. Inflation headlines, chip shortage issues, DD stock, security breaches and all that stuff. Just absolutely so much negative catalyst just blocking this stock for 6 months. I do not see another negative catalyst to get in front of this stock to stop the company. So we're going to be covering how much upside potential this stock has heading into earnings and what kind of price movement and price targets we could see by the end of the year based off NIO's future performance. And only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on the NIO stock or the direction that the company's headed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be keeping you updated with NIO updates every couple of days along with other growth stocks. And please be sure to smash that like button because it's going to show this video to more people investing in the NIO stock, which is going to give the stock a lot more coverage. Let's get into the video. So I want you to get a good feel for this company and know what your valuations are if you're investing in this company, because it is a little bit pricey, but I'm telling you, with the growth potential and the growth that this company has proven, that's where you get the higher multiples. You earn the higher multiples with your growth. So we're at a 75 billion market cap right now, and the company has around 1.6 billion shares. Okay, a large amount of shares. This is definitely not a small float. So what you want to do is you want to get the price targets of this company from Wall Street experts. And we know right now that NIO has 38% upside potential from 9 analysts. And guys, this is not zero sells or holds. This is strictly strong buy ratings. This company may not have had the fundamentals back in 2019 when they were getting bailed out by the government, but they are just absolutely dominating and killing it. Growth every single quarter has been absolutely stellar. So if we plug that $64 price target in, this is going to put us right around a 100 billion market capitalization. So I know that going off of, revenue from the last quarter, NIO is projected to do right around 5, maybe $6 billion in revenue this year. So that implies a 20x multiple. So for automakers, this is definitely, the highest multiple, out there along with Tesla and the other EVs. So 20x is very, very high for automakers. But guys, this is not a legacy automaker like a Toyota or a Ford, Nissan. This is high growth, high expectations, guys, for the EV future in the next 5 to 10 years. And China is the largest EV market there is. And NIO has customer user satisfaction, the highest we've seen. They prefer NIO over Tesla as far as the China culture satisfaction. So NIO is really pushing hard right now to produce these vehicles. And just remember, this is only a 6-year-old company compared to Tesla, a 15, 20-year-old company. So NIO is very new, and the CEO has said they're going to get into profitability very, very soon. Once that profitability happens, guys, this stock could literally shoot up 20% the day that NIO turns profitable. If we take a look at the delivery results, everything has been absolutely phenomenal since 2020 Q1. 3,800. 10,000, 12,000, 17,000, 20,000. So what can we expect heading in to these Q2 results? What kind of guidance can we really get with this company? I personally believe we're going to see guidance anywhere from 26,000 to 30,000 units. Why? Because they have said that they have the capacity right now to hit that 10,000 unit mark, and that's what we want to see. July sales are going to be coming out in about a week. We're going to see what the numbers are. I expect over 9,000 units. There could be a little bit of a, slowdown or a tightness from the chip shortage still. The chip shortage is easing out of, how bad it was back in like March and April, May. So it could be right around 9,000 to 10,000 units. But once we hit that 10,000 units, you're going to continue to see 10,000 units plus every single quarter. And guys, that's revenue projections of like, over $1.5 billion. So that's like, an easy $6 billion in revenue, on that 10,000 unit mark. Guys, this is far, far from any type of meme stock or any type of speculation company. Look at the analyst coverage that NIO is getting, guys. This is a big company that institutional investors and hedge funds are loading up on. There's over 10 to 15 analysts: Wolf, Piper, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Deutsche Bank, Credit Suisse, Citi, CICC. Guys, these price targets you're getting are from some of the biggest banks and, investors in the world, guys. These are expert Wall Street analysts covering this stock. This is ridiculous upside. This is just manipulation after manipulation after bad headline after bad headline. You got CNBC bashing China. Jim Cramer says sell NIO. It's just a very manipulated market. I wish the market was truly more free and had to do with companies, metrics and valuations, and not more of personal opinions, on the media side. NIO earnings is where I expect a big jump to really happen. I could see anywhere from a 10 to 15% jump on these earnings, guys. This is going to be their most profitable earnings that they have ever had. They were literally at their top end guidance by literally like a couple hundred vehicles. They did absolutely stellar, delivering near 22,000 vehicles for Q1 2021, their highest since inception of 6 years. And guys, a good website to get your fundamentals and get your deep dive analysis research is Macro Trends, okay? If we take a look at macro trends, I like to go to margins and gross margins just so you can see how stellar this company has been performing quarter after quarter. If we scroll up and look into these margins, take a look at this. Negative 15% margins back in 2020 Q1, negative 3% margins, positive 3%, positive 11%, positive 15%. This is absolutely stellar. They could be potentially getting into 20 to 30% gross margin very soon. What does this tell you? This tells you that the company is in check with their financials. It's in check with their costs. They know exactly what they are doing to become profitable in the future. Go back to macro trends and check out the revenue, guys. 2019, 56% increase from 2018. 2020, 121% increase from 2019, and they are on track to do 5 billion plus in revenue. That's going to be back-to-back 100% year-over-year growth, guys. And don't forget the amazing news coming out with NIO heading into Europe. ET7 launch has upgraded to 70,000 pre-orders, guys, for 2022. This company is set to absolutely rocket next year. This year is just shaking out the weak hands part and really just proving the growth back to back quarters, guys. We're going to get another price target increase, I assure you. These upgrades are going to go much higher. Potentially after earnings, we're going to be sitting at about $75 heading into Q3 earnings. So by NIO Day, this stock should easily, I mean easily see $80 plus, guys, just off the company's performance. As long as we don't get any more negative, nasty headlines, this stock should really start moving. We were literally at 55 bucks just a couple of weeks ago before that DD news came out. So an $80 price target would imply a market capitalization of 128. This would be right around 25x sales, which I believe, should be the absolute maximum we should see for 2021. It just depends on what their revenue guidance comes out to be for Q3, Q4. They may be able to up it to 7 billion. I'm not sure, but anywhere in the 20 to 25x multiple would imply anywhere from a $70 to $85 range on the stock. So when you see people putting out these, $200, $300, $400 price targets on the NIO, that's definitely for the future, guys. 2, 3, 4 years out. I really think this company is going to be a $1 trillion market cap company in the future. Just to show you guys how big NIO truly is, this is the global ranking on all of the Chinese companies right here. You can see by market capitalization. If we scroll down, NIO is the 23rd largest company in China, guys, with a 75 billion market cap. And we know, just going off of those experts price targets of 64, that implies right around 105 billion market cap If we get to the fair valuation experts are projecting right now, we would be the 17th largest company in China, guys. This is China's EV baby. This is the number one player. Yes, Xpeng and Li Auto are very good, but they're not building an infrastructure and investing in the company as aggressively as China. China has an entire 300 to 400 battery swap station that they're trying to get to, 5,000, swap stations, by 2025. They're building, a EV empire, guys, with, EV charging. It's just incredible. I really believe that this is going to be a top three company in potentially 2 years, guys. This could definitely grow to be one of their top three companies in China just off of the growth potential that we're seeing in this stock right now. I want you guys to know I am invested in NIO. I'll be showing my, portfolio very soon and all of my other stocks. I'm making a lot of moves because of these crazy movements in the stock market. I've been buying a lot of dips. I've been, selling off, companies that I've had big profits in. So just doing a lot of different moves. But I have about 20,000, I believe, that I invested up front in the NIO stock last year. So this is going to potentially be, $100,000 investment very soon, the way this stock is moving, by the end of the year. So I'm very excited, guys, for the NIO stock. This is a great company. You have great upside potential from expert analysts right now for upside price targets, and I expect these to move a lot heading into earnings. So, guys, I want you to do your deep dive, on the NIO stock every couple of weeks. You need to keep up to date on what's going on with the company. And once again, I have tons and tons of videos covering the NIO stock if you want to take a look at any other videos on my channel. And please be sure to subscribe to the channel if you felt this video gave you any better insight on the NIO stock. I'll be keeping you updated daily with all of the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out and you don't want to miss it. I hope you have a great day.